Oracle Integration Cloud, or OIC, helps customers connect Oracle Fusion and on-premise applications to create integrated solutions. Along with Oracle Fusion applications, FlexDeploy provides robust support for OIC development artifacts which must be managed across the software delivery lifecycle. The artifacts include integrations, connections, lookups, and libraries. In this video, we will explore how FlexDeploy helps speed the delivery of OIC objects across the pipeline by increasing productivity and returning the focus to innovation. An accepted best practice for development is to store all source code in a source code repository so that we maintain version history. FlexDeploy makes it easy to sync changes from the OIC development repository to a source code repository, automatically trigger the build, and send the integration artifact to the pipeline for execution of the software delivery lifecycle. FlexDeploy provides a browser extension which can be used from OIC to initiate the process. From our development OIC instance, we launch the browser extension, select the Sync OIC to SCM action, and the name of the integration that we want to push to Git. Notice that the list of integrations in the OIC development instance is automatically populated. We then click on Send Webhook to send the request to FlexDeploy. FlexDeploy receives the request, and a workflow is initiated to export the selected integrations from OIC and commit them to the source code repository. Drilling into the execution, we can see the steps that were executed to perform the extract from OIC and sync to GitHub. A package-based project is configured to source from GitHub and deploy to our test, QA, and production OIC instances. Once the utility pushes the changes to our Git repository, using continuous integration, a build is initiated for the package containing the updated integrations. The integration is pulled from GitHub, compiled, and versioned in the FlexDeploy artifact repository. We can see which integrations were modified by looking at the change logs. We can also see the workflow steps which are executed to perform the build action. Once the build is complete, a snapshot is created and sent to the pipeline for execution. From the release dashboard, we can review the snapshot content and view the running state of the pipeline orchestration. We can see that the deployment into the test environment has already completed, and we are awaiting an approval in QA. Once the request is approved, it will be scheduled for 2 p.m. before it is deployed into the QA environment. Using the browser extension integration, developers can push their changes to source control and initiate the build process, all without leaving OIC. The release orchestration is triggered automatically to drive and enforce the defined software delivery lifecycle. In the environment history report, we can see the complete history of the integrations deployed across all of our OIC instances. In this case, we have selected a saved query which filters the deployment history for the Oracle Integrations project. The reports are valuable to gain insight into what changes have been deployed and when, to reconcile an issue, or to collect information required for an audit request. In this video, we learned about FlexDeploy's support for Oracle Integration Cloud. We learned how pairing the browser extension with continuous integration enables source code synchronization, continuous integration, and continuous delivery. We reviewed how packages are managed across the software delivery lifecycle using a pipeline, and how the pipeline orchestrates and enforces the delivery lifecycle defined by your organization. And finally, we saw how traceability is provided at the integration level through execution and within the reports. Thanks for watching.